Hello, boys and girls. One of the best parts about learning a new language is learning how to speak the language and have conversations with other people. In our first speaking lesson, we are going to learn the correct way of greeting others in Afrikaans. In order for us to speak, we will need a few handy phrases and we need to know what they mean. So, we are going to write them down in our classwork book. Your classwork book is the one with the black hard cardboard covers and a red binding edge. On the inside, on the first page, you have stuck your content page. Now, page one more time. You are going to start writing on the right hand side page at the top. So grab your blue pen. Now remember, you are going to write your neatest handwriting, okay? So if you write the neatest in print, you may write in print. Or if you write neater in cursive, you may write in cursive. But you are going to start in pen. And hold your finger on the pause button for this video because you might want to stop or pause the video while you follow the instructions. Now, start writing the date. 25 Januarie 2021. We write the Afrikaans name for the month, Januarie, with an IE at the end because it is our Afrikaans book. We have to write in Afrikaans. Now bring your ruler to underline the date. Fold your page in half so that you have two columns on your page. Next to the fold, you now write the heading Spreektaal, which means spoken language. Underneath, next to the fold, we write hoe om te groet, how to greet. Once again, use your ruler to underline in pen. Skip a line and now we write the first phrase we might use when greeting someone in Afrikaans. Using blue pen, write goeiemôre with a semicolon, that is the two dots on the folded line, and make sure to write that triangular shape over the O. Goeiemôre means good morning. So write in a sharp grey pencil, good morning. Let's practice saying good morning in Afrikaans. Listen carefully. Goeiemôre. Now you say it. One more time. Goeiemôre. And one more. Goeiemôre. Good. Afrikaans people use this greeting when they see each other in the morning. Now, should Afrikaans people see each other in the afternoon, they will rather say goeiemiddag. Write that in pen with a colon on the fold and use your grey pencil to write the English meaning. Let's practice saying good afternoon in Afrikaans. Listen carefully before you repeat. Goeiemiddag. One more. Listen. Goeiemiddag. Last time. Goeiemiddag. Good. And when we meet in the evening, we say goeienaand. So take your blue pen and write goeienaand, colon on the fold, and write in pencil the English translation, good evening. That's right. Just copy the example from the screen into your book. This way, we keep our books and our work looking neat and tidy. Let's practice greeting each other in the evening. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Goeienaand. Once more, listen. Goeienaand. And last time. Goeienaand. Good job. Now we are going to ask someone how they are doing. In Afrikaans, we ask, hoe gaan dit? Skip a line and write in pen, hoe gaan dit? Colon on the fold, and in pencil, write the English translation. Let's practice saying this. Hoe gaan dit? Did you hear my voice going up at the end? That is because you are asking a question. Listen again and then you repeat. Hoe gaan dit? You guys are rocking this. One last time. Hoe gaan dit? That sounds almost perfect. Now we are going to respond to the question. Skip a line and write in pen. Dit gaan goed, dankie. Colon on the fold, and in pencil we write the English translation. I am well, thank you. Remember to write your neatest handwriting so you can pause or stop the video if you need a little extra time to do it right. Now let's practice saying that we are doing well. In Afrikaans we ask hoe gaan dit, and you will respond, listen carefully, dit gaan goed, dankie. Say it. Say again, listen. Dit gaan goed, dankie. And one more time. Dit gaan goed, dankie. Good. So now I am going to ask you in Afrikaans how you are, and you are going to respond with dit gaan goed, dankie. Are you ready? Here I go. Hoe gaan dit? And you say, I am proud of you. Good job. Now it is good manners to ask back to the other person how they are. So after saying, dit gaan goed, dankie, you will add, en met jou. Write this in pen, colon on the fold, and the translation in pencil, which is, and how are you? Quickly pause the video so that you can copy this down. Now let's practice saying that. We are doing well, and ask the other person how they are. So you're going to say, dit gaan goed, dankie, en met jou. Quickly say, dit gaan goed, dankie, en met jou. Once more, listen carefully. Dit gaan goed, dankie, en met jou. And last one, dit gaan goed, dankie, en met jou. Well done. And as usual, when someone asks you how you are, you will respond with, dit gaan goed, dankie. Copy the Afrikaans down into your book in pen, colon on the fold, and the English in pencil. As our speaking skills improve, we will learn how to respond in other ways, because sometimes we don't feel so well, or we are having a difficult day. So far, for now, we will simply respond that we are doing well. And now to say goodbye. In Afrikaans, we say tot ziens. Write tot ziens in pen, colon on the fold, and in pencil the English goodbye. So when someone says tot ziens, we will say it back to them, like saying goodbye to them as well. Let's practice saying tot ziens. Listen how I say it, and then you repeat after me. Tot ziens. Again. Tot ziens. And last time. Tot ziens. Good job. So for now, the writing is done. So grab your ruler, skip a line after totsiens, and rule off using your blue pen. Just like that. Let's look at how this conversation will work in real life. I have brought two friends to demonstrate. First is Sizwe. She says, "My naam is Sizwe." And here comes Tokozani. He says, "My naam is Tokozani." They are meeting each other in the Afrikaans classroom after second break, and that is in the afternoon. So, Sizwe says, "Goeiemiddag," and Tokozani greets her back by saying, "Goeiemiddag." Sizwe asks, "Hoe gaan dit?" And Tokozani has good manners, so he responds, "Dit gaan goed, dankie. En met jou?" Sizwe sê, "Dit gaan goed, dankie." Totsiens, Tokozani. And Tokozani also says, "Totsiens." Now that we have seen how to greet each other, let's practice it together. I will pretend to be Sizwe, and you will pretend to be Tokozani. You will say the things that Tokozani would say. Right. I start. Goeiemiddag. Hoe gaan dit? Dit gaan goed, dankie. Totsiens. Right. Now let's switch. You be Sizwe and I will be Tokozani. Now remember, you start. You've got to greet me first. What you gonna say? Goeiemiddag. Dit gaan goed, dankie. En met jou? Totsiens. That was good start. Ek is baie trots op julle. That means I am proud of you guys. Keep practicing this around the house and listen to the video and watch the video as many times as you want. And I will chat to you again very soon. Totsiens.